Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows 11 taskbar look like Mac Dock. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To transform your Windows 11 taskbar into a Mac-like dock, follow these steps. So firstly, navigate to the settings, personalization, taskbar, then choose Taskbar Behaviors drop-down menu and enable Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Choose a wallpaper reminiscent of Mac OS. Use the link provided and the video description for suggestions. Download Rainmaker using the third link in the description. Install by choosing your language and confirm with OK. Then click Finish upon completion. Right-click on the Welcome widget, choose Variants, and click the option marked with a dot to delete it. Repeat the clock and any remaining default widgets. Then, right-click on the desktop, go to View, unensure Show Desktop Icons, and select it. Now, return to the Rainmaker file and the Downloads folder. Right-click, choose Extract All, and hit Extract. Open the extracted folder. Choose the necessary folders and copy them. Open another window, navigate to Documents, go to the Rainmaker folder, and into the Skins section, paste the copied files. Minimize this window. Click on Show Hidden Icons on the taskbar and open Rainmaker. Refresh all the new skins aren't showing. Then load the Mac OS style taskbar in Rainmaker by selecting Load. Go to Menu, unload the dock settings. By following these steps, you can make your Windows 11 taskbar resemble a Mac dock. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.